Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 2500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, front suspension classification, solid live axle. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, 2, trip odometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.